Hey everybody, welcome to my second one wheel video. Today I'm going to be on the grass and I'm going to try to do a few tricks. I'm going to try to do the 180 spin and I'm going to try to do the tail slide dismount. Let's have a look and let's see. First trick's going to be 180s. The trick for 180s is I have to be able to stop, hold my balance, and then twist my upper body and let my lower body twist the board. To try to do is something that they call a tail smash. And what that is you're going relatively fast, and instead of stopping the one wheel by just slowing down and lifting, you're just going to smash the back tail into the ground and then lift your front foot off. This one I might fall on. Naturally I want to fall forward, so I think I got to lean way back. Almost. Thank you everyone so much for watching another video. I hope you enjoyed watching me add a couple tricks into my one wheel bag. Also, I'd like to thank my daughter Juliana. She's 11 years old and she edited the closing sequences for this video.